Listen, this thing's been blowing up online, and I had to try it myself. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described, and honestly, it's better than I expected. Click the link in the description. You won't regret checking this one out. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. What surprised me the most is how premium it feels for such an affordable price. It's the kind of product that makes you think, why didn't I get this earlier? Hit the link in the description and see what all the hype is about. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. Listen, this thing's been blowing up online, and I had to try it myself.